explain what we're doing here. We're basically taking all the paint off down to what we call in the industry white metal. When we started blasting this, we found that this has 3 coats of paint. So we'd have been done with this entire job 2 hours ago if it was just 1 coat. The more coats of paint, the longer it takes to remove. And as you can see, we have a yellow layer, we have a blue layer, and we have a primer layer, and then the charcoal gray that is the top coat. It's a little bit more of a challenge for us, but we get the job done.